Hello and welcome again to another video by Kono Insight. This video is a case study of an AD and AS model. So let's say the situation in this case is that there has been an unexpected monetary expansion. Let's say for some reason, there could be thousands of reasons, but let's say that happened. How do we analyze this? What are the effects in the short run and the long run? First step is to draw the model. So as we know, in the AD and AS model, in the vertical axis, we have P, which indicates price level. And in the horizontal axis, we have Y, which indicates output income or GDP. Now, what we know is, let's start with that, is the long run aggregate supply curve is vertical, right? That is the natural level of output. In the long run, so it's vertical. In this case, we're going to use the upward sloping short-run aggregate supply curve. If you don't know what this is or confused, watch the video regarding upward sloping short-run aggregate supply curve. It's a similar concept with the horizontal short-run aggregate supply curve, but some minor differences. So watch that first. So we have our vertical long-run aggregate supply, upward sloping short-run aggregate supply. Now, then we can draw our aggregate demand curve, our downward sloping aggregate demand curve here, AD. Let's say there has been an unexpected monetary expansion, so that shifts AD to the right. Never forget to put the arrows when drawing. So AD shifts rightwards from AD to AD1, right? And now we can start analyzing. So we have point A. Then because of an unexpected monetary expansion, we move to point B and we end with point C. So what does point B, point A, and point C mean? So first, in point A, the price level is at P1, right? B is at P2, P3, C is at P3. Basically, it's that I just want to show that the price are increasing. Price level is increasing. And first, we note that at B, the output increases from Y to Y1. So now let's analyze what's happening here. First, we see, because of the unexpected monetary expansion, which shifts AD, we can see in the short run, as equilibrium moves from A to B, there is an economic boom. Why? Because Y shifts rightward to Y1. So there's an economic boom. And there is a relatively minimal price increase from P1 to P2, right? So there, economic boom here, and accompanied by some price increases. So that's what happens in the short run, A to B. In the long run, it will become B to C. What does it mean? It means that it's time to catch up with reality, since the boom surpasses the long run aggregate supply curve. Then there will be pressure from point B to point C, returning the output to its natural level at Y over bar and increasing the price from P2 to P3. So we can see that. So now we can see, as we start with A in the short run, we move to point B, catch up with reality, the excess demand results to higher prices, yet we are now still back again to the natural level of output. So as a summary, you can skip this if you want, but I'm just going to list it down. Short run, we have an economic boom, a relatively minimal price increase, and in the long run, we are back to the natural level of output, which is Y over bar. And we have higher prices, but all of the price increases, still, the economic well-being is at the natural level of output, back to the original one. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.